Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest product reviews. Today, we've got something bone-chillingly exciting to discuss: the Boao Halloween skulls. If you're into crafting, decor, or just love getting into the Halloween spirit, you're in for a treat. Let's dive in. You're gearing up for Halloween, and you need the perfect spooky touch for your decorations. Enter Boao Halloween skulls, the ultimate solution for all your crafting needs. These skulls come in a pack of 8, crafted meticulously to add an eerie vibe to your surroundings. Made from high-quality foam, these skulls are lightweight, durable, and incredibly realistic looking. What sets these skulls apart? Let's break it down. Boao Halloween skulls are designed with attention to detail, making them look like the real deal. Whether you're setting up a haunted house or adding flair to your party decor, these skulls will do the trick. From home decor to themed parties, these skulls are a versatile addition to any occasion. Scatter them around your space, use them as props for photo shoots, or even incorporate them into DIY projects. With dimensions of 1.8 by 1.8 by 2.4 inches, these skulls strike the perfect balance between being noticeable and space-saving. Plus, with 8 skulls in each pack, you'll have plenty to go around for all your creative endeavors. Let's get hands-on. Watch as we use these skulls to elevate our Halloween decor. Whether it's creating a spooky centerpiece or adding accents to a wreath, the possibilities are endless with Boao Halloween skulls. In conclusion, Boao Halloween skulls are a must-have for anyone looking to up their Halloween game. With their realistic design, versatility, and unbeatable value, these skulls are a winner in our book. Ready to take your Halloween decor to the next level? Click the link in the description to get your hands on Boao Halloween skulls today. That's a wrap for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting!